What's up guys, Manuela Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make money from home online, sharing a funnel that allows you to earn on 4 income streams. Okay, but before we get into that funnel today guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, you're going to find I talk a lot about how you can make money from the comfort of your home all online. I share with you free ways, business opportunities that I'm involved in, having success with. I share with you business tools that I'm using to accelerate my businesses. I also share with you motivation and inspiration, guys. So if any of that resonates with you, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button somewhere down below. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I do drop another video. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. And like I said, I do talk a lot about ways you can make money from home. I'm an affiliate marketer, guys, affiliate entrepreneur. And basically all I'm doing is sharing other people's business opportunity, and I get a commission for it. Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is a new funnel that I actually started in December. Towards the end of December, this funnel came out. If you're not familiar with the funnel, very simple. This system will actually do all the it has all the training inside of it. It's a great tool. Basically allows you to connect into 4 different income streams. What do I mean by that, guys? We're going to talk about that. I'll show you the inside, and I'll show you, how you can get started. It's very simple. Now, questions I always get a lot about is there a startup fee? Of course there is, because this is not a job. This is a business opportunity. Again, I'm an affiliate marketer. That's what I do. I use tools. I join opportunities. I get success with those opportunities, and then I bring them out and I show them to you guys because I want you to also have success. Okay, so with full income disclaimer, I can't say that you're going to make what I make. I can't tell you that, because from an ethical standpoint, it's all about what you bring to it, how much traffic you're going to run to it, and I just can't do that. That's not a legal way that I practice my business opportunities. And, again, if you don't have the startup for it, then this may not be for you. However, I like to show everybody everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Basically, it's called multiple income funnel. Okay, and this guy here, Mack is the person who referred me to this. I've done other opportunities with him. He's a actually seven-figure income earner. He knows his system. He built this system. So he knows what he's doing. I've had success with other things that he's in. And that's, again, why I like to bring these things to you. If it's real, it's realistic, it's people are winning, I'm going to bring it to you. Okay. So first and foremost, the link to this will be down in the description below. Again, guys, there is a startup fee. Basically, you can't earn on nothing. So if you put nothing into this, you're not going to be able to earn anything. So that's, I got to start you there. But basically, it's a funnel. And if you know what a funnel is, if you don't, I'm going to explain that to you. So basically, there is a low startup fee in the beginning of this. And what that is for this particular scenario is that you're basically getting this system. If you just sat on this, guys, and you came in at the $49, which is $49 a month for this system, the funnel itself, you could actually earn on just that one level. All you got to do is refer other people to it, right? You can do a video like I'm doing. You can actually, there's traffic. There's his #1 rated traffic method in here, which I'm using to get people into it. You don't have to speak to anybody. He's showing you everything that he's using in here to get success. You follow the steps. There's a bunch of videos in here. His guidance is here. Everything in here, you watch a video, he breaks it down. You actually will come in once you pay your $49 to get started. Basically, you'll join the Facebook group. In the Facebook group, he announces new people to come in. You can ask questions in there about things. People are having success. They're showing their income proof. So nothing is left out. This is very legit. I've been doing this since I think it dropped the end of December, which is we have up to 4,000 members now. And that's unheard of just because of the end of the year. Most people don't want to join anything, you know, at the end of the year's Christmas time, etc. But this system is really, really good. So I'm going to walk you guys briefly through this. I'm going to try to keep this to at least 15 minutes. I don't want to take up too much time. So basically what you'll do is you'll get to the link, right? Guys, you might come to, and everything in here that I'm sharing, you'll get access to at the $49. It is monthly. It's to maintain this system. And you can earn just off that one income level. If you don't want to join the other things in there, which I highly suggest you will do, I'm actually part of everything in there. I have been part of those other 3 income streams besides the first one, right? So you have all these at your leisure here. You have all these at your fingertip. You get your lead capture pages. He created all these for us, okay? So basically, you know, these are what you're going to send out to people or put on your social media, whatever the case may be. You're basically going to send them to whatever link it is. You always want to lead with a capture page because then you get a lead. They put their income. Let me just open this up for you guys so you can see. So basically, the link that I provide below is going to drive you to this, okay? You're going to put your first name, your best email address, and you're going to get instant access, right? Once you do all that, it's going to drive you to more information to learn about this, which I'm going over right now, but Mac talks about everything, okay? So to sum it up, what this is, again, you're purchasing the system, which is this funnel for $49 a month, okay? You have access to the links I just showed you. You'll be able to track all your leads in here, who's on the leadership board, resources we use. We actually send these to our lists. You know, you'll build a list with your leads. You can email them, follow up. Also, the system is doing the follow-up. He actually created a full-scale follow-up for you. So once you get leads coming in here, basically he's sending out emails on your behalf. Basically, it's going to keep sending them emails so that way they'll join. And that's the whole idea about this, guys, is you want leads because leads, when you follow up, you get sales that way, okay? So that's the idea behind any kind of funnel you join, okay? So I'm going to show you. You'll come in, you pay your $49, guys. Again, it's $49 to get started, and it's going to be $49 a month to maintain it, okay? Not a lot of money. Then you'll come in, watch the video. He's congratulating you. Then you're going to set up your income streams, okay? So again, like I said, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 income streams in here, guys. The first one is the funnel itself. You can earn just off that one as long as you keep sending, you know, offering this to people, doing what I'm doing a video on your social media if you want, or by the traffic that he's suggesting in the back office. That's how we're getting sales, is we're driving people to traffic. I don't talk to anybody. I love YouTube. I'm doing this YouTube video now just because I love YouTube, but the traffic I'm getting, guys, and I don't want to show information. I really don't want to give away email addresses, so I can't show you, but I have leads coming in because of the traffic. The traffic is traffic authority, right? This is the traffic that you'll buy to get people to come to this funnel. These are buyers, guys. These are people that want business opportunities, and that's what you want. You want eyes on whatever you're trying to promote. So anyway, so you'll come in, your first income stream is obviously the system, okay? You can earn off just that one. You get $20 when someone joins and just purchases the funnel, the first income stream, you get $20 commission, basically. You'll get, I'm sorry, you'll get a $20 commission, which is 50%. You get $20 every time someone comes in and buys the first, joins and gets the funnel. The next one, guys, is what I'm part of too, is Easy One Up. Basically, this goes over what Easy One Up is. It's a marketing, basically how you can become an entrepreneur, be a good marketer. It's basically education, okay? You guys, I'm not going to go into details on each of these. You just go to the video once you come in. You can actually check all these out and you sign up, okay? TextBot is a texting platform you can use to market to other people. Texting is a big thing right now. Again, I'm part of all these income streams. You earn from Easy One Up, and again, no income. I can't promise you what you'll earn, but when people sign up, you can earn anywhere from $25 up to $2,000 from income number 2, and that's if someone joins and purchase the education packages, okay? On income stream number 3, which is TextBot, again, you watch the videos, you get connected. You can earn $100 commission straight to your PayPal account, your Cash App account, however you want to get paid. That comes directly to you. Same with this one. And then guys, the last one you can earn is off traffic. So we need traffic. So you will basically just connect to Traffic Authority. You set up your traffic, you pick the package you want, and you get set up. Okay, you get set up with traffic. People, you don't have to talk to anybody. That's the great thing about traffic, and that's why people are winning in this, because we don't talk to anybody. I do videos because I like them. You don't have to if you don't want to. The key is to drive traffic. You want to purchase traffic if you're not somebody who likes to talk to a bunch of people, right? There's many packages back here. Again, I don't want to log into that because you know, the video will tell you, will walk you through everything. That's what I love about this system. I don't have to tell you guys anything. You just come in, join at the $49. Okay, guys. Again, that is monthly. These other opportunities, you don't pay monthly. You pay one time. You pay one-time fees for income number 2, number 3. And in traffic, you want to continue to purchase. Okay. These are well-rated this is a well-rated traffic. This is solo ad traffic. It's top rated. Mac himself recommends it. Everyone in the group is having success with it, okay? So you're gonna follow the steps, guys. That's how simple it is, okay? You're gonna set up your income streams. You're gonna set up your e-wallet so you get paid from anyone who purchases this system. And, okay, and then it's gonna walk you through the back office. Now, one thing I do wanna show you is, you know, I'm transparent. Commissions. Okay, so this is my commission that hasn't been paid out yet. Basically, I just told you, when you sell the front end system, that's going to come in here, and that's for the system itself, which is that $49. You pay that monthly. The person, this is residual income. As long as they stay active, you'll continue to get that $20, $40, $60, $80. It's always going to be $20 whenever someone comes in. If you come in under me on my team, you pay your $49. Again, I'll get the $20. That's how the same will be for you. You set up everything, you get paid. The payday, this hasn't been paid out yet. But guys, it's so simple. If you are looking to earn some extra income, I highly suggest this as an opportunity for you to get started. It's a simple system, all in one, 4 income streams, guys, all in one place. You cannot beat that, right? If you're an action taker, I'm looking for those kind of people. I don't want anybody who's just scared to take an opportunity or take a risk. $49, guys. That's all it is to get started. And you can just earn off the first income stream, like I said. If you want to scale it up, I highly recommend you join the other three income. Like I just said, Easy, One Up, TextBot, and you want traffic. That's a no-brainer. You also earn off people that purchase traffic because your link is in here. Everything is set up. You put your own link to each of these that you joined, and then when someone comes to the funnel and they purchase, you get paid for that. That's how it works. All right, guys. So a very simple process, guys. Again, no, I don't want to put out income disclaimers because I don't know what your work ethic is. I mean, I can just tell you off of TextBot, I've earned $200 off TextBot. $350 off of Easy, One Up, and just getting started with this funnel. And that was before I even started with the funnel. Okay. These are good opportunities. They're educational tools. This is a texting platform. You need traffic. In order to make money in this game, guys, you need traffic. And this is the recommended source. All right. So guys, I just want to sum it up with that. If you're looking to start a new business in 2021, this is the time to start, right? We don't know what our economy is going to be like. Our economy, we're now in 2021. People have been losing jobs, struggling. If you want to make a change, guys, I highly suggest you get started with an opportunity. I highly recommend this one. I want you to be successful in 2021. I want to be more successful. So this is the way to get started. All right. So in the link in the description below, guys, I will drop the link. You'll come to my capture page like I just showed you. You guys get the same access that I will. And you get access to the Facebook group. Okay. The Facebook group shows you everything that you need to know. All right, so you'll get access. You can choose whatever funnel you want to drive people to. This is the one you'll come to for me. You put your name and your best email and get started, guys, okay? So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm very transparent, as you can see, and I will look forward to working with you in 2021, guys. Take it easy.